Most drivers believe every car repair needs a trip to the mechanic, but that's simply not true. The truth is, over 50% minor car issues can be fixed at home, in minutes, with little to no tools. What if I told you there are simple car repair secrets that could keep $2,000 in your pocket every single year? That's right, mechanics won't tell you these secrets. But in this video, I will reveal 13 car repair secrets that can save you over $2,000 every single year. Let's start with the quick and easy fix. Secret number 12, never let the dealership handle basic repairs. Let's be real, dealerships are great for selling cars, but not for saving you money. They often charge double for the simplest services. Need new wipers? They'll charge you $80 for what you could install in 2 minutes for $15. Want a battery replacement? They'll charge $250, even though the same battery costs around $120 at an auto parts store. The secret here is knowing what you can DIY or get done at a local shop. For anything outside of warranty work, skip the dealership. Over the year, avoiding dealership pricing for oil changes, filters, lights, and batteries could save you more than $700 alone. Secret number 11, save over $100 using OBD2 scanner. When that dreaded check engine light pops on, most drivers panic and head straight to a mechanic, only to spend up to $100 just a simple diagnostic. But here's the twist. You can do it yourself in less than a minute, for less than the price of a pizza. Buy a $25 OBD2 scanner and plug it into your car's OBD2 port located under your dashboard, and turn your key to on position without starting the engine. Within seconds, you'll see the exact trouble code. The code might just mean a loose gas cap or a minor sensor glitch. With a scanner, you gain instant knowledge, and knowledge equals power. This one device can save you hundreds in diagnostics every year. Secret number 10, clean your MAF sensor to fix rough idle. Is your car idling rough, stalling randomly, or feeling sluggish when you hit the gas? Don't panic. It might not be a major issue. The culprit could be your mass airflow sensor, and all it might need is a simple cleaning. This tiny sensor measures how much air enters your engine and sends that data to the ECU, which adjusts the fuel injection accordingly. But when it gets dirty, it starts sending incorrect data to the ECM, leading to a rough, idle, poor throttle response, or misfire. MAF sensor cleaning is incredibly easy. Buy a can of MAF sensor cleaner for around $7, unplug the sensor, and give it a few gentle sprays. Don't touch the delicate wires, just spray, let it dry, and reinstall. Mechanics charge up to $150 for this job, but doing it yourself takes less than 10 minutes and could instantly restore smooth performance and better fuel economy. It's one of the easiest car fixes you'll wish you knew about sooner. Secret number 9, flush your coolant before it destroys your engine. Coolant isn't just colorful liquid, it's your engine's lifeline. It prevents overheating in summer, freezing in winter, and protects against internal corrosion. Coolant breaks down over time, and when it does, it turns into a silent killer. It becomes acidic, loses its rust-inhibiting properties, and starts eating away at vital parts like the radiator, water pump, and head gasket. That's a $2,000+ disaster waiting to happen. That's a financial disaster caused by skipping a $70 flush. A proper coolant flush removes all the old fluid, rust, and contaminants, and replacing it with fresh coolant keeps your engine running at the right temperature. A proper coolant flush removes all the old fluid, rust, and contaminants, and replacing it with fresh coolant keeps your engine running at the right temperature. Experts recommend flushing every 2 to 5 years depending on the type of coolant and your vehicle. Secret number 8, use OEM or quality aftermarket parts. When it comes to car repairs, the cheapest option is rarely the best. Cheap parts may seem like a money saver at first, but they often wear out faster, break down sooner, and perform poorly under stress. For example, low-grade brake pads can overheat and damage the rotors, turning a $50 repair into a $500 bill. Therefore, it is always recommended to use OEM or quality aftermarket parts. OEM or premium aftermarket brands like Moog, Denso, or AC Delco are engineered for long-term performance. These parts often come with better warranties and are more reliable. Spending a little more upfront saves you from repeated labor charges and part replacements later. Secret number 7, rotate and balance tires. Every 6,000 miles, tires wear unevenly due to weight distribution and suspension geometry. If you never rotate them, your front tires might wear out twice as fast as the rear. Uneven tire wear not only shortens tire life, but also affects fuel economy, ride quality, and safety. Balancing ensures your wheels spin without vibration, reducing stress on your suspension. This service usually costs around $30 to $50 and can double your tire life, saving $400 to $800 in tire replacement costs over the life of your car. Regular rotation also prevents tread separation, which can cause dangerous blowouts. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to avoid expensive repairs and stay safe. Secret number 6. $50 oil change save you $8,000 engine replacement. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine. It lubricates moving parts, reduces heat, and carries away contaminants. But over time, oil breaks down due to heat and collects carbon, dirt, and fuel residues. When it gets too dirty or too thin, it can no longer protect engine components. This leads to excessive wear on piston rings, camshafts, and crank bearings. Eventually, you'll experience overheating issues and, if ignored, suffer complete engine failure, which can cost $3,000 to $8,000 to replace. Changing your oil every 5,000 to 7,000 miles is one of the cheapest and most important investments you can make in your car's longevity. For under $50, you can avoid the single most expensive repair in car ownership. Secret number 5. Fix small dents and scratches at home bodywork. A minor scratch or door ding? That'll be $300, sir. But did you know you can fix many cosmetic issues yourself for under $30? Light scratches can be buffed out with toothpaste. For this, clean the scratched area with soap and water, and also dry it completely with a microfiber cloth. Now put a small amount of non-gel, whitening toothpaste on a soft, damp microfiber cloth and rub it gently over the scratch in circular motions for about 30 seconds to a minute. Use a clean cloth to wipe off the toothpaste residue and dry the area with another cloth. After buffing, apply a coat of car wax to the area to restore shine. Fixing these problems early preserves your car's appearance and maintains resale value. Plus, learning these simple techniques saves time and money and gives you more confidence handling minor car care. Secret number 4. Regularly check and top off transmission. Transmission fluid lubricates, cools, and powers the hydraulic components inside your transmission. If it runs low or gets dirty, it can no longer protect the gears and clutch packs, which may result in slipping, jerking, or even complete transmission failure. Many modern transmissions are sealed, making it difficult for drivers to check the fluid level, but they remain just as susceptible to issues. Rebuilding or replacing a transmission costs $2,000 to $4,000, depending on the car. Checking the fluid level regularly and getting a fluid change every 30,000 to 60,000 miles can greatly extend its life. Even if it means paying a shop to inspect it, that's pennies compared to the cost of a full replacement. Secret number 3, clean your battery terminals. Your car battery terminals may seem simple, but they're critical for reliable electrical flow. Over time, corrosion builds up on the terminals. A corroded terminal can mimic a dying battery, causing dim lights, slow starts, or even leaving you stranded. Many people replace their battery prematurely, spending $100 to $250 when the real problem is just dirty terminals. Cleaning battery terminals is quick, easy, and costs almost nothing. Using a mixture of baking soda and water or a specialized battery terminal cleaner, you can scrub away corrosion in minutes. Then apply a thin coat of petroleum jelly or dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Regular terminal cleaning extends your battery's life and can save you thousands by avoiding unnecessary replacements. Secret number 2, don't skip the parking brake. Most people assume the parking brake is optional on automatic cars, but using it every time you park is crucial. Without it, all the car's weight rests on a small internal component called the parking pawl. Over time, this stress can wear down or break the pawl, which leads to major transmission repairs costing $1,500 to $3,000. Using the parking brake supports the vehicle's weight and reduces strain on the transmission. Additionally, regularly using it keeps the brake cable mechanisms from rusting or seizing. This simple habit can make your car safer and extend the life of critical drivetrain components. Secret number 1, replace your air filters yourself. Your engine air filter traps dust and debris from entering the engine. When clogged, it restricts airflow, forcing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. Replacing a dirty air filter can improve fuel efficiency by up to 10% and save you over $150 per year in gas. Mechanics often charge $50 to $100 to replace a filter that you can buy for $10 to $20, and install in under 5 minutes. In most cars, the filter is located inside a plastic air box under the hood. Just open the box by removing the screws, remove the old filter, and drop in the new one. Replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles keeps your engine breathing freely and helps avoid issues like poor acceleration. So there you have it, 13 car repair secrets that can save you over $2,000 a year. Whether it's doing simple repairs yourself, avoiding shady upsells, or just staying informed, knowledge is your most powerful tool on the road. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and if you've got your own money-saving car secret, share it with the community.